Hi, and welcome to your first training session. I'm your training host, and I will guide you through your training today. You can see me here in your RealWear glasses. Hello! You can use your own hands to grab stuff and interact with the tablet on the cleaning trolley. This is clean water. This is your dirty water. Here are your cloths. Pink for soapy water and blue for clean water. This is the dryer for your mob. How to use it is in the next training session. Have a look at your cleaning sprays and try to grab one of them. Cool, right? Now we're talking cool. Thank you for joining this training session. Session 2 is ready for you in the lobby.